Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life. Today in this video I will show you some amazing and latest designs for crochet patterns. And yeah, crochet sweaters are a great way to keep kids warm during cold weather. The thick tightly woven fabric of the sweater helps to trap heat and keep the body warm. Plus, crochet sweaters are often made from soft natural fibers such as cotton or wool. This makes them comfortable to wear and less likely to cause irritation or itching. And crochet sweaters are often made to last with strong seams and sturdy materials. This means they can be withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, make them a smart investment for parents. So if you are looking for the latest and 2023 designs for crochet sweaters for your kids, then you should definitely watch this video completely. You can find the design for your kid as well. If you are running a store, you can customize these designs for your customers as well. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and yeah, share it with your friends. Do comment and let me know your favorite sweater design. Thank you.